to this video on how to fix the problem of images not loading on Google Chrome. But before we dive in, please take a moment to hit that like button to show your support. The first solution involves 3 simple steps. Firstly, we need to ensure that our Chrome browser is up to date. To do this, we open the Play Store and search for Google Chrome. If an update is available, we need to update the browser. The second step is to clear Chrome's cache files. We can do this by going to Settings, then Apps, and then Manage Apps. We need to search for Chrome and click on Storage. From there, we click on Clear Data and then Clear Cache. Finally, we confirm our action by clicking on OK. The third step is to disable JavaScript. To do this, we open Chrome and click on the 3 vertical dots in the upper right-hand corner. Then, we select Settings and scroll down to Site Settings. From there, we click on JavaScript and toggle it off. This completes the first solution. If the first solution does not work for you, we can move on to the second solution. This involves changing our account. To do this, we click on the 3 dots, then on Settings, and then on our account. We change our account because the problem we are experiencing may be due to our account. Alternatively, logging out of our account may also help. If we prefer not to log out, we can use an incognito tab by clicking on the 3 dots again and selecting New Incognito tab. We can then check if the problem is solved. If none of these solutions work, the problem may be beyond our control, and we need to wait for the Chrome developers to fix it. That's all for this video. I hope one of these solutions helped you fix your problem. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and consider subscribing to our channel to support us. See you in the next video.